Hey guys, so this may be embedded in like the middle of a cleaning video, but we will see. I am in the middle of prepping for a business trip. Normally I am way more prepared going into the days before I travel, but this time around I am not. My puppy, not so much a puppy anymore. Hey Damn. We just went for a walk, so we just went for a walk at the park, so he is huffing and puffing. I gave him a little bit of water, but you know, they say you're not supposed to give him a lot of water when they're like that. Anyway, that's why I had the air up really high. I'm at the kids' school. We are gonna pick them up from school. It's Friday. We're gonna go give Samson a bath, and then because he gets dropped off at the Borders tomorrow, and I like to give him a bath before. One, because I don't want to send my child to school dirty, and two, so I can really gauge his condition when he comes back, and I know that he just freshly got a bath before I dropped him off, so I know exactly what's going on, if you know what I mean. So after we give him a bath, we are going to go pick up my dry cleaning that I dropped off this morning. I usually go to Zips, in by 9, out by 5. I had to do it that way because I literally have no time. Tomorrow Ethan has a football game and a birthday party to go to, and then tomorrow on Sunday I am singing, so I don't have a whole lot of time to get my prep in. My nails are just gonna be the way they are. I just have put it in neutral, and they're just neutral. And then when we get back home, I have a ton to do. I have lots and lots of laundry to fold and put away. Looks like we're moving here. I haven't even pulled my suitcase out yet, so I have to plan for outfits. We have 2 days of meetings, and then of course the dinners at night, and then travel outfits. So at this point I've traveled quite a bit for work, so I have like a base wardrobe to go off on, but it's always fun to have something new and fresh to add. The kids are going to be excited because Samson's in the car.
Oh, Samson! What are you okay for? Samson! Baby! Samson's in the back trunk! What?
Ethan like literally jumped. He did not see him there.
Look at the baby dog! Baby dog, baby! Hello! Hi, baby! Samson! What happened? So you just take him to the vet?
No, he's going to we're gonna go take him to their place to get a bath.
Here you go. Good boy.
You can sit down and just leave, but I wouldn't never be the same old thing. But I could tell you straight.
Hey again guys, and welcome back to my tiny little channel. I know I said welcome already, but I feel like I didn't say the tiny part, so I had to get that in somewhere. This is now the next day from the first clip. It's Saturday morning. At this point, I've already taken my puppy to the boarding place. He goes there for daycare too. I work from home, so I'm home with him during the day and take him for his walks and stuff. So he's going to boarding because I'm not going to be there during the day to do that, and I want to make sure he's able to get walks and get loved on and play and all that good stuff. So he is there, and then I have a ton to do. As I said in the beginning, Ethan has this football game, so I'm trying to get as much done before the football game, because right after the football game was the birthday party, and I had big plans like to clean and stuff after I got home from the birthday party, but I was so tired I needed a nap. And then I got up super early on Sunday. So you'll see this video goes across the entire weekend of just prepping for my business trip, and I'm prepping the house, getting it ready just for me not being here. And you'll see in a couple clips ahead of this, I'm going to just do a brain dump of everything that the kids have going on during the week, so that their dad is able to follow along. A lot of stuff just exists in my head. I know he's fully capable, but I have peace of mind knowing that I've written everything out. So yeah.
Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
I have gotten used to washing these Omi boxes. I know I mentioned a couple videos back that it was just annoying to wash, but now I've gotten a routine down with them. I really just take everything apart, spray everything down with this Dawn Power Wash spray that we all know and love, and I let it, fill it up with water, whatever, let it soak. Normally they don't have anything that's kicked on, but I did just throw everything in the sink last night and go to sleep. I did not even think about the dishes last night, so they did need a little bit of a soak, but even with needing a soak, it does not take nearly as long as it did in the beginning of the school year. I get through all of their little tiny pieces in probably less than 5 minutes, honestly, especially if you spray it down and let it sit there for a couple seconds.
You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? And I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Now I'm going to proceed to do entirely too much, but I mean, who would I be if I was not doing too much? Okay, so this is the very next day on Sunday. On Saturday, I did manage to get a few loads of laundry done, but I didn't fold anything or put anything away. So Sunday after church, changed my clothes and got to work on folding clothes and separating them by day, putting them in their daily organizer. So they're all laid out for the whole week. now that my 7-year-old's room is good to go, his clothes are all folded and ready for the week, I am switching over laundry, giving my 13-year-old's dry clothes to him so he can fold those and put them away. And then we're going to head into my room where most of the laundry is. I have a couple more loads after all of this is folded. So it was a long night of folding and putting away. As I am folding, I am going to put things to the side that I know I will be packing. So you see here, I'm just kind of getting things situated, getting things together. I did stop by Sephora before I came home from church and picked up some travel size stuff and a new Laura Mercier powder. I've been out of it for a while and it's really my favorite, but it's so expensive. So I was able to redeem my points for a gift card. They do that every once in a while, but you have to be on it. If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I'll tell you about it, but I have to look up what the exact rules are. But this is so satisfying. I felt like I needed to vacuum in between because of all the lint and stuff that's come off, but it's just all going to be back after I fold the second load of laundry.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow.
Okay, so now that I'm finished folding, I am going to start packing. That's my travel outfit, little sweatsuit from TJ Maxx. Here is my carry-on or my personal item. This is from Target. I've carried it the last few times that I've traveled and I love it. I packed up my work computer, some of my chargers, umbrella, which came in handy, and then this pouch that has miniature versions of everything that I could possibly need. I do pack up a much larger toiletry bag that goes into my checked luggage, but this is in case something happens while I don't have my checked luggage with me. I also pack all of my makeup in this bag just in case it gets lost. To replace that would be super expensive. Snacks at the airport are also expensive, so I am packing my own snacks. This candy is expensive in general, but at the airport, it's like $20. I promise you it is. So just showing that I'm going to put my headphones and iPad in there once they are charged up and ready to go. So here is my checked luggage. I am flying Southwest, or I did fly Southwest, so I do have a checked luggage. I am not trying to make all of my stuff fit in a carry-on this time around, just because the weather was kind of weird. Half the trip felt like 1,000,000 degrees outside, and the other half was torrential downpours, so I needed some options. So here's all of my work stuff for the meetings. I packed a navy blue pair of tapered trousers, wide leg black trousers, black tapered trousers, and then just a bunch of neutral top options, and then a few cardigan sweaters to mix and match my vibe, how bloated I was, Putting that in a packing cube. I think these are from Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something. They are on their last leg. The zippers are like not fully closing anymore, so I'm gonna have to look into getting some other ones. I also packed some t-shirts, bodysuits, and some workout clothes that I did not use. So I had good intentions though. You know how it is. So I also pack a super flat, like foldable bag that can be used as my work bag. That is from Lacoste Outlet, a little brown crossbody from Mango. Those shoes are from Nordstrom Rack. Those are from Marshalls. Those are from Target. And then those are from Tucker Nut. So I just have a brown and a black option for flats, a brown and a black option for sandals, and then those white tennis shoes are from Nordstrom Rack as well. That hat and that belt are both from Target. like the rest of my life. So also packed a thin rain jacket, and that also came in handy. So that is all I have for you today. I hope this gave you a little bit of motivation to get your life this weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.